ibranch yakho nevideo yakho uma ungasiwa kuyona eyinkinga leyo comrades. So sithanda esibona la ngoba uspokesperson wethu une sense of belonging, unomgogodla ukuthi mayewa uzowela kuona, and which is the first foundation in a political space. We need to start prioritizing ukwakha ama-VD ethu. Noma ngathi inhlangano is-deploy yaphi, make sure that you work for your VD, you work with your branch, you work with your region. Ngoba ekugcineni kwabo konke akusizi ukuthi uyibone usule ukhohlwe enzansi. Omama bake bacula earlier on bathi siyaxelela abaholi bethu amandla asemasebeni. Amandla asemasebeni. In that said, comrades, I want to acknowledge our neighboring zones that are here today, which they start from zone 1 to zone 16. We've got zone 7 here. I do see representatives that are leading in the structures that are currently appointed in zone 7. And then due to time, comrades, the program here to be late. Angeke sakwazi ukuthi sonke sikwazi ukukhuluma. Therefore, God can acknowledge zone 8, zone 9. I know that you guys are here. Zone 3, zone 4, zone 5, zone 6, zone 7, going down as it's called. One thing that I'm seeing here, comrades, is that ngibona kakhulukazi abantu ababekhona wena umkhonto wesizwe was still unfashionable. You know, I see Comrade Toby, I see her there. You are welcome leadership, you know. Siyabonga, zone 7, ward 53. Isona lesispirit esidingayo by election. Therefore, those you guys are acknowledged. And then in the current leadership of our region, we've got Comrade Tusi, who is currently leading as our chairperson, our convener, so njengamanje sesisebenza more chairperson. So Comrade Zibi, I'm just going to give you kancane ukwazi ukubingelela. Singabe sayidonsa kakhulu ngokhela. Amandla.
Viva President Zuma, viva!
Viva!
Viva President Zuma, viva!
Viva!
Phambili nge-unity, phambili!
Phambili!
Comrade uphumelelo lakhe Zibi. Osabanjisiwe njengoba kade esho uComrade Mkhatshwa ukuthi lana awunayo isikhundla, but isikhundla permanent. So into engizoyisho nje ukuthi akukho okuningi engingakusho, ngathi ngijabulele nje ukuthi uchairperson wase-Ward 53 manage ukuthi a-organize iprogram enjengalena kuze ama-officials akuya-national aze nje mhlawumbe efake ezinye zezinto njengoba kwenzeka namhlanje. So kodwa into engingayisho bengathi mina nami ngiwomunye umuntu owawujoyina lo mkhonto ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi asitsheliwe ukuthi inhlangano yama-leftist. So okuphambili kula malanga njengoba ku-establishwa wonke lamazoni njengoba siya kuma-elections lawa yilokhu ukuthi ithi inhlangano asiqale nge-unity kuqala ukhuluma nge-unity. So nalokhu kokunye-ke ukuthi angeke sikwazi ukuhamba siye phambili mangabe singabambisene. Nathi njengoba nje kuzo zonke lezi hlale nisibeke kuzo sicela ukuthi ngoba izini nizisupportwe yini. Ningavikeli mina, nivikeleni